Are you interested in creating a beautiful custom website in 20 minutes or less with zero coding required? In this video I will be showing you step by step how to create a website in 2018 in minutes and write your first blog post. It's easier than ever before thanks to amazing and easy to use platforms like WordPress and user-friendly hosting providers like Bluehost. There are a few things we need. We will need a quality hosting provider that can host our website. I will show you the host I use. We will need a domain name. You will get a free domain name if you choose to use the hosting provider I will show you in this video. Then we need to install WordPress, and finally we will create the first blog post. Now let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough from purchasing web hostings to setting up WordPress on your website. If you need any help with any of the steps, feel free to comment below with your question and I will do my best to answer. The first thing we need to do is to pick a host. If you click the link in the description, you will get hosting for $2.95 a month and you will get a free domain as well, and Bluehost offers 24/7 support. If you have any issues, you can go on the live chat and get some help from their support. Bluehost is the web hosting provider we will be using for this tutorial. If you're thinking why you should pick Bluehost as your web hosting provider, here are a couple of reasons why I use Bluehost for most of my websites. Number 1. If you go to the WordPress website, they have their own web hosting recommendations. And at the very top of that list of hosting providers WordPress recommends is Bluehost. Reason number 2 is that Bluehost is a very WordPress friendly hosting provider that makes it really easy to install and use WordPress on their hosting platform. After you click the link in the description, you will go over to the Bluehost website and click the big green button that says Get Started Now. The next step is to pick the package you would like to purchase. And you can see all the differences between all the packages Bluehost offers. The basic package is the cheapest, but you can only host one website with that package. If you go for the Plus package, then you can host unlimited websites on your account. But as you can see, it's a little bit pricier, so you just have to select the package that best suits your needs. In this example, we're gonna pick the basic package. Like I said earlier, if you click the link in the description below and purchase hosting from Bluehost, you will get a free domain name. So you can pick your domain name here and see if that's available. I would recommend using .com extension because that's the most popular extension. If you already own a domain name, you will insert that over here and press the next button. Next step is to fill out all of your account information and pick the account plan. The longer the plan you pick, the cheaper the monthly price is. Next, decide if you want any of the extras that Bluehost offers, like domain privacy protection. It is up to you, but what it does is it hides your details so no one can look up the owner of the domain. The next step is to fill out your payment details and submit your order. What happens next is that all of your account details and important login information is sent to your email. Next step is to go to your email and open the welcome email from Bluehost and then log into your cPanel. This is the screen you will see when you log in into your Bluehost account and cPanel. Next step is to install WordPress. WordPress is what is called a content management system. It means that it helps you manage all of your content. It's very simple. It's a one-click installation. Just scroll down and click one-click install. Scroll down and press the install on the WordPress. And press get started. Then the next step is to simply pick your domain name from the drop-down menu and leave the directory blank. The next step is to press the next button. Next step is to decide and enter your admin username and create an admin password. This is a really important step, so write this information down. It's very important since you will use the username and password to log into your new website, but it will also be sent to your email as well. When you finish picking and entering your admin username and admin password, click Install Now, and voila, now WordPress has been installed on your website. Next step is to log into your website. You do that by simply entering yourdomain.com/wp-admin into your browser, and that will take you to the WordPress login area. Enter the admin and password you picked and log in into your website. After you log in into your website, then you're in the back end of your WordPress website. You will have the standard WordPress theme installed, which looks like this. But of course you can change that to a premium theme which you pay for, or you can install a free WordPress theme. We're gonna do that. Simply go to Appearance, Themes, click here WordPress.org themes. Here you can see a lot of different free WordPress themes. You can scroll down. We're just gonna pick our random theme. This looks good, and press install. Then press activate. Let's go to the website. As you can see, now the theme and the design of the website has changed. You can then go ahead and customize the theme and make it your own. You do that by go to Appearance and Customize. Here you can change all the different settings that comes with the WordPress theme. You can change the homepage settings, you can change the site title and the tagline, change the footer, you can insert social media icons, you can change the background image, you can insert widgets, menus, you can do a lot of different things, change the color scheme, change the fonts, and so on. So you have endless possibilities to change and customize your website. You can do this with every WordPress theme that's free or premium. Now let's exit this and go to next up. We're gonna write the first blog post. You do that by going here to post and add new. You simply write a headline and insert the text. And press publish. As you can see, you press here all posts, then you can see your first blog post has been posted to your website. Then you can go here, check out the website, and see the first blog post has been posted. Of course, you can add more text, images, links, videos, you can embed YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. So you can do a lot of different things. Next, I'm going to show you how to install plugins. Plugins are really important for all WordPress websites. You go to plugins and you can go to installed plugins. I already installed some plugins on this website. I installed all-in-one SEO pack, which is a search engine optimization plugin. But the most popular search engine optimization plugin is Yoast, which is a really good plugin. So I highly recommend you use either Yoast or all-in-one SEO. Next up, you're gonna need to install a security plugin. I most frequently use WordFence, which is a really good security WordPress plugin. It helps you guard against hackers. So I would highly recommend that you install WordFence, which is a really good security plugin for WordPress. If you want to add a plugin, you just go to plugins and press add new. Then you can see here is a list of the featured WordPress plugins. You can go to popular. As you can see here are a lot of different plugins. I already installed Contact Form 7, which is a good contact form plugin. I also have installed Google XML sitemaps. If you install Yoast SEO plugin, you don't have to install this plugin. So you can see here are a lot of different WordPress plugins. I'm going to show you how to install a plugin. You just pick one plugin you want to install. For this example, we're going to use this, a theme check plugin, which is a simple and easy way to test your theme for all the latest WordPress standards. So you just press install now. And now it has been installed, you press activate. So now the plugin has been installed. You go to dashboard and home. Go to appearance and theme check. We're gonna check the plugin. Oh, sorry, we're gonna check the theme. So just press check it. So now the plugin runs some tests on the theme we installed earlier. And as you can see here we can get a detailed analysis of the WordPress theme we have already installed. So this is a good theme, this is a good plugin, sorry, to use if you want to check if the code for the WordPress theme you have chosen is up to all the latest WordPress standards. So this is how you install a WordPress plugin for your website. This is how you create your WordPress website with Bluehost in a very short time. It's so easy to do and it's not as expensive as many people think. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time and give this video a like. Also, comment below if you have any questions and share this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials and product reviews.